Hi, I'm Daniel Bayer. I'm a Verisium Debug product engineer, and today we're going to be talking about Testbench debug in UVM. So, when talking about debug, we have our RTL debug, we have Testbench debug, and naturally, with the advent of the UVM SystemVerilog language in our verification process, we also see an increase of complexity throughout all of the test benches, throughout the designs. One particular issue is UVM SystemVerilog is software development. So we need to deal with creating and deleting dynamic objects. We need to be capable of understanding when a configuration happened. We need to be able to trace things back. One of the things we can add, and we did add for Verisium Debug, was being able to step through your source code. Your source code is the key to understanding software. And one of those features that's being added is annotations. Value annotations are incredibly powerful. You'll see your object's values in the source viewer right there, right then, while you're stepping through it. Also, what we've done is we made sure you can see all the necessary UVM components at the tip of your fingers. So we added a specific UVM factory viewer that allows you to understand when configurations were set and when they were retrieved and applied to your test bench. Additionally, we added sequence viewers. Those sequence viewers give you the specific state of your sequence. They show you exactly when it started, when it ended, and even better, by a simple switch of a drop-down box, you'll see exactly the sequencer that's running that particular sequence. Additionally, we also added a UVM register viewer. So this register viewer contains native information about your register model, showing you exactly the values, showing you exactly what are the fields, what are the registers, where are they located. So all of these things coming together, paired with smart log file analysis, makes Verisium Debug the tool of choice for you to get a control of your UVM test bench. So additionally to all of that, what we have is a great way to look into your constraints. You know, when you're working with constraints, usually it is very hard to understand about why did a value assume a certain value, right? So at this point, when you open up Verisium Debug, you can enable and select the Constraint Randomization Debugger. And that will allow you to very intuitively and very quickly understand why a certain value was assigned, even with virtual constraint viewing, allowing you all the optimized view on exactly what you need to understand. So there's many more features that you should definitely seek out to explore. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more information, please visit cadence.com.